Hi everyone, today I want to show you how I'm going to decorate my mantle. This is in my basement, but I do love to decorate, so I decided to decorate it for fall this year. And I have a little nail up there that I usually hang a photo on. And one day I still plan to paint that white, the wood part, but I haven't done that yet. And I'm going to show you a few things I'll be using. So one of the first things I'm going to use is going to be this sunflower wreath. And I have a couple of long swags here. And I'll be putting one on either end. And then I have a couple of wooden pumpkins, or one wooden pumpkin and a few others. And candles, and a few other things that I am still thinking about. Debating whether or not to put fairy lights on these swags, but we'll see. Stay tuned to see how it goes. Here's the start of the wreath. It's really nice and full, and I think it's going to add a lot of beautiful texture for the wall there. And then I'm going to put on the swags. I find it a little bit hard to decorate this mantle simply because it does go around the corner on each side, and if you don't fill up the sides, it looks quite bare. It just doesn't look right. So I usually use 2 long swags there just to cover the whole mantle. So I'm going to start by adding some filler in the corner, and I just have a vase here that I'm going to use just to give it some height in the corner. And then I'm going to start with a few pumpkins, but I'm going to put them up and then take a photo here so that you can see. So I've added a wooden pumpkin. Then I've got a few little gourd-like pumpkins or gourds. And these little wood ones I've had for a few years, and I kind of just keep adding to my little collection because I like them. And it's nice to just lay something on an angle just it looks better. One of my favorite pieces I have is this large acorn, and I've used it in different displays, different years. Whoops. But this year I'm going to use it on the mantle up there. That just gives a really nice corner piece on the edge. And I'm going to add a few other little things here that you'll see. Because right now I think it needs a little bit more. Add a bit of orange up here. A few little pumpkins. Just to fill in a few little spots here and there. Actually, I'll put this over here. And then I'm going to add a few candle holders here, and I'm going to use the ones with the LED lights. So here's the mantle, just with the LED candles. I'll just kind of do a little surround here with it. You can see everything is done. I'd love to know what you think. Please comment in the comment section below. Hit subscribe if you are enjoying my videos. And I think I'm just going to add a few fairy lights to this, so I'll just do that here in a moment. So here's the finished mantle. I did turn the light off so that you could see the fairy lights that I added on here. And basically, I just used one string of the fairy lights. I have the LED candles. The garland, like I said, is from Homesense, as well as the wreath. I believe I purchased most of the wooden pumpkins and gourds and acorn from Homesense as well. Probably last year, the year before, maybe even longer. But there is my mantle all put together. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more decorating. Thanks for watching.